In today's video, we are going to talk all about a foil quill. This is a hot pen that allows you to foil just about anything. So I'm going to show you how to use it and show you why this is a key tool to have in your craft room. Stick around, all that is coming right up. I'm Sarah, and you are watching Creative Ramblings, where I share simple, inspiring projects. From easy crafts to seasonal home decor, you're going to find new videos right here every week, where I walk you through a full tutorial so you can take this craft and recreate it at home. If that sounds like something you want to see, consider subscribing so you don't miss my next video. Today we are talking about a foil quill. This is a hot pen. It's exactly what it sounds like. It is a pen that gets hot that allows you to foil all kinds of things. So let's jump right in and talk about exactly what this pen is. So the Foil Quill is a name brand for a hot pen. It is just a little pen with a cord here. It has a USB plug on one end, and I have it plugged into an extension here, and then plugged into my wall. You can also plug it into a power source, a battery pack, or even your phone. The little metal tip on the end here gets nice and hot, and what that does is it allows you to take a piece of foil just like this. This is a special reactive foil, and I can then transfer this foil over to a piece of cardstock in making a card, or a leather purse, or a baseball hat, or a notebook like we're gonna do today. So you can find links down in the description of this video for my favorite foil quill or a hot pen and some different types of reactive foil. It comes in so many different colors. So the technique I'm going to show you today is how to get this foil onto a cover of this leather kind of padded notebook here. And you can freehand a design, or I'm also going to show you how to use some stamps as almost a stencil so you can get a beautiful design onto your notebook. So let me show you how that works. So here are the supplies you'll need for this project. You're going to need your hot pen and a piece of reactive foil. You're also going to need something to put that foil on, and we're going to do a notebook cover today. I'm going to grab some washi tape and a scissors to keep on hand to cut things down to size. And we're also going to use some stamps. So I've got this cute little stamp set here, and I am going to use the bumblebee. So we're going to take that off and mount it on just a acrylic block here. And then I've got some black permanent ink to use. Now the stamping that I'm going to show you is just one way. You can also freestyle with this pen, meaning you can just use it as a pen and draw. So to put this on, we're going to cut down a piece to the size that I need. So I'm just going to cut it a little bit bigger than this bee is here. This way I can save the rest of this foil for another project. So I'm going to bring the notebook over and I'm going to put the foil down. Then I'm just going to use a little bit of washi tape to hold that in place. So I'm going to tape one side, and then I'm going to push it over nice and flat and tape the other side. You always want to stick it so the shiny colored foil side is up. Now, I said we could freestyle this, so I could very easily just use my pen and go over it, and the foil would go down onto the leather. But if I want to make something a little more unique, I'm going to go ahead and use a stamp. So to use my stamp, I'm just going to ink it up, and this is just black permanent ink, and I'm going to push it on top of the foil. And this just gives me a nice place to draw over with my pen, and it's not going to interfere with the pen at all. So then I'm going to take my pen and just start drawing over the bee. You don't need much pressure. just draw like you would with a ballpoint pen. And you can see where you've already gone, so I know which lines I've already done and what I still need to do. Now some of the places on this bee here are colored in with that dark black, so I'm just going to use my pen to color that in. I'm really going to push that foil down right there so it stays in place. Now, what I'm gonna do to kind of see how this looks is I'm just gonna peel up one side of the washi tape and pull it over to take a look at my bee. And I love it. The only thing is there's just a little line missing on the side. So I'm able to just push this back down. I forgot one little line over here. And I'm gonna just draw that back on. There is my little bee. So now I can take this foil and discard it. And I have this adorable little bee on the bottom of my notebook. On the back of the notebook here, I used a very similar technique using a stamp that says cheers and a little heart there with a pink reactive foil. So that is how you use a hot pen, just one of the many ways you can use a hot pen like this foil quill to decorate and embellish items in your craft room. We made this adorable little notebook with a bee on his side. This is great for you to use for yourself or to personalize a gift. You could add a monogram or a name or an inspirational quote on this. This is great to add embellishments to handmade cards or to home decor. There's some links down in the description where you can get your own foil quill or hot pan and try it out in your craft room. You can also get an attachment for your Cricut. So stay tuned, I'm gonna share a video with you on exactly how to up your foil quill game by using your Cricut. So if you have any other questions, be sure to let me know down in the comments and I will do my best to answer them. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you don't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching today. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.